Here is how to create an RMA from a sales order. Within my sales order, I'm on the Order tab, which is the order header for all the information in regards to the sales order. I'm going to navigate to the Products tab. This tab should be visible, but if it's not visible for you, click on the gear and make sure that the Products tab has been moved from your Not Displayed to Displayed side. I'm going to select the Products tab and find the product I would like to RMA. In this case, it's line number 6, ABC inventory. I'll select the product ID, and when I'm in the product, I'm going to go to More and select Enter RMA, the first choice. Upon doing this, I'm taken to a new screen, which is the RMA tag screen. This is going to inherit all the information from the sales order, including the sales order number, the product ID, all the company information, as well as my information in regards to who entered it and the date. At this point, I can hit save, which will create the RMA tag. However, in this case, there's a little bit more information I need to update. So I'll scroll down, update the status, and I'm going to update the going to field. This is a custom field for this environment that might not be required in your environment. In this case, updating the status will probably be enough. But for me, I'm going to update the going to as well. Upon hitting save, this will create an RMA tag and I will have created an RMA for a product from a sales order.